Alright, go. Just start corrupting.
Yo, what's going on, guys? We're just gonna be making a normal me today. We're gonna be making Anthony Wiggle. This is a completely legit tutorial on how to recreate Anthony Wiggle
Yeah.
in the me creator.
Uh-huh.
It looks like a garage door. Okay, what I meant was, we're gonna have to create another one here, so. Okay, the music's a little. Okay, so first we're gonna select the head shape. Now, I think Anthony has the face about like that one, but I don't know if I can reach it. Oh, yes!
And then he
What
has
does
hair
Anthony
like
look
that.
like? I need a
Like that
picture
right
of
there, right
Anthony.
there. Third.
Oh, right there, same color?
It's brown. Brown hair. And then third. No, that's not brown. What the brown hair. And then. And then third row in the middle.
Third row in the middle, right here.
No!
Oh, third row in the crap! I can't count.
There we go.
What do his eyes look like? What do his
I dare you to choose a line.
No!
I spat on my screen.
You're just echoing in the distance.
Look at Peter Griffin.
Oh my gosh! Wow! Oh my gosh! Are they just a little bit wrong here?
There's nothing
All the
wrong
animation
here.
is gone from this.
There's nothing wrong here. I don't know what you're talking about. There's nothing
Absolutely nothing
out of the
wrong.
ordinary.
Oh, the music's all on my right. Look, we can't spin him. He doesn't even spin anymore. Let's just create an abomination real quick. Let's see what we can try to create with this.
We're gonna make a
I don't even know what
transition.
he's gonna look like, because I can't even see it. Oh, I already see it right there. I'm scared. No! Grandpa! Okay, let's give him some hair. Let's give him whatever this is. Let's make him thick. Oh my god! Oh, keyboard is possible! Oh, let me out! I want to go back! Oh no! Oh. I think it just crashed.
And that's how you make a me in the Wii menu.